Alright guys, welcome back. We're back in my shop and we're going after the duodenum today. You can say duodenum if you like, but it's the first section of the small intestines. It comes right after the stomach, okay? We're in the stomach in the last video. We have the gastric 5, and we know that every 20 seconds that stomach makes a mixing movement and mixes the gastric 5 in with whatever food that you put in there. Now, at the bottom of the stomach, you're going to have another sphincter. It's your second sphincter. Remember, the cardiac sphincter is here at the top, but then you have the pyloric sphincter. The pyloric sphincter is called the gatekeeper sphincter, and it's going to open up and it's going to let food move into the very first of 3 sections of the small intestines. You can say duodenum, you can say duodenum. I kind of mix them up. I say both of them because I've heard both of them, but we're going now into the duodenum. Very important place to study, because one of the things that's put in the duodenum is this thing called bile. Now, bile is very important because it's going to help you do something that you have to do and you couldn't do without bile. It's going to help you do what we call emulsify fats. It's going to emulsify fats through a process that is called emulsification. Emulsification is where you take a fat molecule, a lipid, that's say that size, and you're going to split it into 2 smaller fat molecules. Then you're going to take those fat molecules and you're going to split them into even smaller fat molecules. Okay, you have now emulsified fats. You might say, why do I have to do that? Why would I emulsify fat? I just want fats to go straight through my body. Well, there's 4 important fat-soluble vitamins. I call them the ADEC vitamins, A, D, E, and K. ADEC, these 4 vitamins are fat soluble, and we can't get them if we can't emulsify fats and break down fats. So if you can figure out a way to get these 4 vitamins, but not let fat get small enough for us to absorb it, you're going to make a lot of money in this world. All right, so that bile is made of 4 things. Now, the bile is going to be stored behind the liver in this little thing called the gallbladder. Right there is called the gallbladder. Here's your liver. It's going to sit right here in your body. Your liver does a bunch of things. It cleans out toxins from your blood. It stores vitamins. It converts sugars back and forth. It also produces that nasty green fluid, yellowish green fluid called bile, that's stored right here in the gallbladder. Bile is made of 4 things. One is cholesterol. These cause bile stones. If you have gallstones, it's caused by excess cholesterol in your bile. It has electrolytes. It has the bile pigments. That's what gives it its color, yellowish green. Disgust. I call it vile bile. It's so gross. But the only thing in bile that does anything for you digestively, there's only one thing that helps you digestively, and it's this thing called the bile salts. The bile salts will show up on your test, and it's going to say which one of these 4 things helps you with digestion. Every one of you knows, every one of you, bile salts is the only one of these 4 things that's going to help you out as far as digestion goes. Excuse me. So we know now that bile helps you with emulsification. It helps with those 4 vitamins, ADEC, vitamins A, D, E, and K, and it helps you break down the fat molecules through that process called emulsification. All right, so that's from one side. The duodenum has the common hepatic duct, the bile duct, entering the duodenum from the liver, but from the other side, you're going to have, oops, I was holding the wrong way. You're going to have this. It's your pancreas. It's going to sit right over here. The pancreas, as you likely know, it helps you with sugars. It helps you regulate your blood sugars through insulin and glucagon and that whole deal. But this is the digestive function too, because the pancreas secretes 5 things to help you digestively. 5 different things. So let's pause the video. We're gonna go ahead and upload this one because it gets a little detailed in the next one, a little too long. But here's your pancreas, really awesome. By the way, worst place to get cancer right here is pancreatic cancer. Very low survival rate from pancreatic cancer. Actor named Patrick Swayze died from pancreatic cancer. Alex Trebek, I believe, is struggling with this right now. So very, very bad place for cancer. But we're going to get to the pancreas next. And so we'll see you in a little bit.